Hey there. So I hope you're doing good. Thank you for joining me today. I was getting ready. I was getting ready this morning, and I was thinking of something that, I get a lot of messages about. I get a lot of messages of people that they're like, how do I make a change? How do I get motivated? How do I, get on track? And that question, it makes sense, but a lot of times I don't feel like I have the right answer, and I wanted to explain why and how you can actually make those changes. She was fine until this started. Yeah, say hi. She's been totally fine. So if you're new to the page, my name is Natalie Tuman here with My Think Fit. I'm an online health and wellness specialist. I help people reach their health and fitness goals in all different capacities. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you today about how to reach your goals and how to just make changes. Like when it's pretty tough, how do we make that happen? And first and foremost, you have to get to that point. Like it has to come from you. It can't be someone else wanting to make a change. It has to be you wanting to make a change for you, right? Baby. It has to be you wanting to make a change for you, because if you're doing it for someone else, now granted, some people, I know that gives them the motivation, but at the end of the day, you have to be ready. Like you have to be ready, and it comes inside. Motivation is not an external force. That's an internal thing. You can be inspired by others and something, on the outside, let's say, but true motivation has to come from within. So at the end of the day, the biggest thing is hitting your pain point. You hear people that they have to hit rock bottom before they can go up, right? It's kind of the same thing. Like you have to hit that pain point before you are actually ready. And for others, goodness, love. It's different for everybody, right? So some people, it's more of the pleasure of something, right, outweighs the pain of where they are. So like where they feel like, losing 5 pounds would feel so much better than the way that they feel right now, right? Or it's the pain of not hitting a goal that makes them want to go for it. So everybody's a little bit different. Some it's their pleasure that outweighs it, and some it's the pain that outweighs it. I think it's nap time. Like I said, she was totally fine until I hit the button. And now she's not so fine. So I just wanted to explain that because I think that sometimes that can help us to understand how to truly make a change. And so you have to decide that, whether it's in your health and fitness, whether it's in your current job, whether it's something going on in your family life, whether it's a relationship, whatever that might be, for you to make that change, number one, it has to come from within for you. And number two, you almost either have to hit rock bottom and be so ready to make a change you're willing to do whatever it takes, or that pleasure pain. Like you've got to figure out where that is for you. Yeah, that's so funny. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you could even hear me. I don't know. Hey, Helen. Oh, thank you. I'm actually going to go down to the George Bush Library with my mom and my mother-in-law and this happy baby today. So we've got a field trip, a girls' field trip this morning. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you click that sign up link at the top of this page, at the top of my page. If you click the sign up link, you're going to get my new recipes. There's 5 new recipes up there, and hopefully they'll help you get a kickstart for the week, okay? You guys have a great day. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye, y'all.